okay? And so here we go. We basically are working with no gloves, short hop variations. You'll see him funnel a little bit, and then you'll see him start to cut off the hops. Okay, nice and quiet head, everything's under control, keeping the fingers down. All the cues for this are online. The teaching points, the setup, what are exactly we working on? Okay, now we got a glove on doing the same drills. Nice and quiet, staying through it. We're gonna start implementing feet now. Okay, feet and hands together, getting in a position to throw, working through the hops. And then speed reps, usually 5 apiece right here. That's something new I added this fall. Making a quick transition. Okay, that's drill 1, big 5. Love it, gotta do it. Gotta have confidence and quiet hands. Gotta stay under control. 3-step, 5-step. Okay, working on your directional step, your crossover step, reading speed, reading angles. Can you get in front? You know, if you have to fight to get in front of the ball, you're gonna declare a backhand or a glove side. If you're not being lazy, okay, we don't want to ever get in a position when we're fighting ourselves. So, feeder's going underhand. We go glove side first for 5 reps. Okay, Tabor left a little early on that one, but he's waiting for the feed so that he can truly get a good crossover angle based on the speed of the ball. That's all there is to it. Staying low, getting out front, works good. Ozzie Drill. 1998, saw Ozzie Smith on TV. Don't got time to get into it other than he said his favorite drill was when he gets on his knees and they pepper him ground balls. You've seen other ones here recently online where people are doing the same thing. So I said, well, I don't have time to pepper every every player. Let's go ahead and throw it, okay? So I gave them parameters for how we do the drill, and you have to trust your hands. This is all about trust. Pick and pop, I call it. We're going to pick the ball, zone 1 in between the knees, zone 2 backhand, zone 3 glove side. So you'll see them execute it, making his fielder right there, which gives Tabor a good target as to where he's going to put this in between or short hop. Will Bowden is going to Mercer. He's a senior this year. He's actually going to go to pitch, but hopes to be a 2-way guy. He's the one executing the drill. Zone 2, that was an in-between hop. He made it look real easy. We're 3 reps normally, as we got here. Glove side. Pick and pop, get rid of it. How quick can you make that transition? This is really more of a double play type action throw, which we work in our throwing drills. They make it look easy. Choose your hot drill, probably my favorite drill. Learned this one at Coastal Carolina. Went down there to work at camp. They were like, the infielding coach was like, what you think of this drill? Talked about it. I said, love it, putting it in as soon as I get back to school. That was like 3 years ago. If fielding is about your feet, which it is, just as much as your hands, that's what this drill is all about. So basically the feeder, and you can use a machine for this, but we do it with partners. The feeder is going to throw the ball up, and the person doing the drill has to read where this ball is going to land, and he's got to get the short hop. Now, if you have a curve, you can probably have him get the second hop if you want, or the big hop, but we're going for short hop here in between the feet. I'm telling you right now, they make it look easy, but it's not easy. Okay, when it first starts, they have to read, pick, and into a power position ready to throw. I think he throws a short one, and Tabor has to come get it. So, backhand, same thing. He stutter step, created some distance for that pick. One more, got to come get it. I mean, you'll see how many guys are just standing there and the ball lands like 10 feet away from them when you start this. Okay, they got to read, they got to get there, they got to put themselves in the position to get the short hop. Tremendous, in my opinion, tremendous drill. Drill 5 of the fly ball drill is, we had a player in 2007. We're about to win a game. They got runners in second and third with 2 outs. They had a fly ball to my second baseman, a floater in the triangle right behind first base. Easy catch. He drifts, wind catches a little bit, hits off the tip of his glove. Time run scores, win run scores, we lose. I was pissed. I was like, we need to work on this more. The ball is going out into the outfield. You can try to fungo them, very difficult. So we created this fly ball drill to work on it. Guys, that's what this is all about. I don't know it all. All I'm telling you is I got to find the things that work that are going to prepare my players. I've had this one in since then. We always go glove side first. So Will's going to call, get behind it. Tabor now will either be relay or he'll put tags on. So we always want the person throwing, and they vary the distance. You know, they may have to dive after it. Players they don't have great body awareness. Really tough catch over the shoulder right here, glove side. I only showed 1 rep to each way just because of time. Now, 15 minutes, we're done. Here's where we go to position specific. First base, they're going to first base, and what are they going to do? Picks it first. Relays to the plate in foul territory. Okay? Pop-ups in foul territory, over by the dugouts. Any kind of obstacles you may have, home field advantage stuff. Fielding bunts and deep double plays into power position. They can't throw to second because the middle infielder's got second base tied up. And on the relay,